Tonight and back at home, a sudden FaceTime call leads to the arrest of a Cincinnati police officer on one count of domestic violence.
That's right. This happened on a busy state road on State Road 4 in Fairfield. WLWT News 5's Todd Dykes is live at Cincinnati Police Headquarters with more. Hi, Todd.
Hi, Ashley and Chris. Officer Thomas Back is now on desk duty after a 911 call and a partial license plate number prompted police in Fairfield Township to place him under arrest. Veteran Cincinnati police officer Thomas Back is accused of getting into a physical confrontation with his girlfriend in what police call a rolling domestic. The case against Back began on Monday evening when a woman who was driving on State Route 4 near Bridgewater Falls in Fairfield Township called 911.
We kind of stopped because there was a domestic violence situation going on the side of the road.
I saw a car pull off really far, like 30 feet off to the right. There's a grassy area.
Before the truck, not a car, came to a complete stop, the caller said a woman who was screaming and crying got out of the passenger's door of the pickup and sprinted toward a wooded area.
Which I thought was odd. And then the guy, what's it called when you hit the gas really fast? Like, peels out towards her, like he's going to hit her with the car. And he didn't. He just jumped out of his car and then pulled her back.
The caller told an officer that the man, now identified as Thomas Back, threw his girlfriend into his pickup through the driver's side door and the two drove away. Police used a partial license plate number to find Back at his home in Middletown, where he was charged with one count of domestic violence. In an interview with an officer late Monday night, Back's girlfriend said an argument happened when she picked up Back's cell phone after another woman attempted to FaceTime him while they were driving. Now, Thomas Back had a court appearance this morning. A judge set his bond at $7,500 and also issued a temporary protective order for Back's girlfriend. Thomas Back was released from custody on his own recognizance. Reporting live tonight outside Cincinnati Police Headquarters, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.
Todd, a couple of questions. When did Back become a Cincinnati police officer, and has he worked at other departments?
Yeah, he joined CPD, Ashley, 10 years ago, back in 2015. And before that, he was involved with a number of local departments, including the Butler County Sheriff's Office, Franklin Police, Middletown Police, and the Clear Creek Township Police Department. Ashley?
All right.